2026 could be the year of explosive growth, not just for AI, but for the companies powering it. These are my top 6 stocks that could absolutely take off. First up, IREN, the AI infrastructure powerhouse. They're building the digital backbone for artificial intelligence, expanding compute capacity faster than most competitors. If AI is the new oil, IREN owns the refineries. Next, KEEL, the overlooked small-cap infrastructure turnaround. This company is quietly pivoting toward high-performance data centers. It's small, it's risky, but the upside could be massive if the transition succeeds. Third, SMR, nuclear energy for the AI revolution. AI needs power, and nuclear could be the clean, scalable answer. SMR is positioned right at the intersection of energy and technology. Number 4, HIVE, once a crypto miner, now evolving into an AI data center operator. They already have the infrastructure, and they're repurposing it for high-performance computing. A fascinating transformation story. Number 5, T, America's domestic solar manufacturing growth story. With clean energy incentives and reshoring trends, T could benefit from the push to build sustainable power right at home. And finally, BLDP, the hydrogen veteran making a comeback. Hydrogen isn't dead. BLDP's decades of experience could pay off as clean energy adoption accelerates.